aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We are on our way to Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Epcot International Gateway, Disney's Pop Century Resort, and Disney's Art of Animation Resort.
Cheers, Jax.
We hope you enjoyed your visit to Hollywood today. Now wave goodbye to your adoring fans below. Bye!
Bye!
Where's my car? My car.
This is
Like
Jesse.
quite nice.
We're in Jesse parking lot over there.
Okay, so the wind feels really nice.
It really does.
Yeah, this breeze feels good actually. I'm not even mad.
It feels like you're almost sitting in an open car.
Yeah.
Oh, baby, not yet.
I said it's like riding in a convertible.
In just a few moments, we will be traveling over the headwaters of the Everglades. The water that flows from the protected wetlands around Walt Disney World Resort travels all the way to the Everglades, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Gulf of Mexico.
That's a far ways away, dude.
He's from the Everglades.
I'll save you guys.
I'm enjoying the omniscient voice in the sky.
She's very pleasant. Solar power. Ooh.
Did you know that the
They collect heat
entire
from the
Walt
sun and
Disney
turn it
World
into
Resort
energy.
is over 40 square miles? That's about the same size as the city of San Francisco and double the island of Manhattan.
Look, it gets really big.
Oh my gosh, a pirate's wheel. How cute.
This is cool. Do you want to come look over here? Listen to that? No. He's like, I like having this
I'm going to
boundary.
remain secret.
What are the solar panels for? What are they powering?
They're-
I wonder if it's like if they
They-
run out.
No, they have lights
fueling my
down
big fire.
here for the emergency and rescue.
Rescue range.
That's right. That's right.
That's cool.
For your safety, please remain seated, supervise children, and refrain from smoking in the cabin.
And away we go.
So that's emergency supplies. If the system breaks down, there's water for 10 people.
Ooh.
Little potties.
I was wondering, I'm like, what if they like get stuck up here in the middle of summer and it's like hot? It's like,
Yeah, there's
that
water.
makes sense.
There's emergency blankets.
Welcome aboard the
there's,
Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean
little
Beach
things
Resort.
to pee in.
Now get ready to travel
I mean,
back
you had to
in
think of
time
everything.
and
You really
enter
did.
the animated worlds of Disney. We are on our way to Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort.
Up there.
It's like better
This
than
is a
People Mover.
pretty.
Yeah, it is.
This is a pretty view.
Oh, it's so pretty. I haven't been over here since they were doing
Just ahead and to the right is Disney's Art of Animation Resort, a larger-than-life resort that celebrates the creative magic that goes into crafting Disney animated films, from sketches to reality. On your left is Disney's Pop Century Resort, a memorable resort that celebrates the way we lived, played, and communicated with each other throughout the 20th century.
Oh, Guardians of the Galaxy.
Right next to the mermaid rooms.
That's so cool.
And no,
Rocky roller coaster. Let's
I was
go.
going to time it. It does heat up a little bit while it's in the station, though.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
I'm a little sweaty.
Yeah.
Slightly sweaty.
Well, and they didn't have their ceiling fans on for some reason at this
That could be it then.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot International Gateway.
It's a nice fit after people get over their like, oh my god, you're in a bucket in the sky. We ride this thing all the time.
Yeah.
We're more crowded than the buses.
Oh, for sure.
It's already
And
my
they're so
favorite.
much bigger than I thought they would
Yeah.
be.
Yeah. When they said 10 people,
I was
people are
like-
like, oh my god, 10 people. But generally speaking, they're
here we
usually
go. Oh,
gonna
no.
only load 8. Yeah. And then if there's a ECV or a wheelchair, they'll only load 6. Yeah, I'm gonna let them know that somebody broke that.
Oh, we are on the same one.
We are. There's the zip tie right there.
Oh, that's for the emergency supplies get
Yeah.
locked.
It's supposed to be. for emergency.
They should reinforce that a little bit more than a zip tie, because that'll happen a
it's got to
lot.
be easy to get into, but it's got to be secure.
It's got to
So
be
it's
easy
like
enough to get into if
no tools.
Yeah.
Super easy, fairly inconvenient.
Yeah. I could just see kids just
We watch.
hanging.
Screen Rant has. There's a
Oh yeah,
thing they do the pitch meetings.
I've been making her watch that. She hates them.
They're so
I-
annoying. Once you
I-
watch so many
I
in
love
a
them so
row,
much.
you know.
In just a few moments,
I'm addicted
we will
to
be
them.
arriving at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. All passengers must disembark or transfer at
Yeah,
this
those solar
station.
panels run
We
these
hope you
lights
enjoyed your
right
journey,
here.
and
Oh.
thank you for flying
There's no
the
panels here.
Disney
No.
Skyliner.
Because that's where
Okay.
the sun is.
So that's enough
I mean,
to feed all of them.
That's the better sun
Oh.
exposure.
Okay. I would have never guessed.
There was a wheelchair behind us.
The wheelchair can get in on the, there's a separate line for ECVs and wheelchairs.
aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We're flying to Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Are you catching any squirrels on there?